We built Trace to be simple and intuitive so the potential of production 3D printing can be unlocked within your organization while capturing the data you need for your customers and users to have confidence in your products. Trace's production dashboard is your go-to place to see exactly what's happening with all of your products and machines. It gives you a quick, clear snapshot of active projects, quality analytics, and an inventory of your critical factory management documentation. It's an easy way to quickly assess utilization and progress, and behind it, you have the ability to capture every detail you might need. So how does it work? Let's start a new project. To do this, simply press New. Trace will ask you a few questions to build the template that is appropriate for your project. Trace then makes it intuitive and easy to track the right information, giving you prompts for exactly what you need to track and when to ensure that you're mapping your workflow to the relevant standards. For example, as you begin the process, you can enter in your critical design factors and considerations. Progressing through the tool, you'll be prompted to enter critical materials and process data, including material characterization results and machine parameter information. Diving down even further, Trace documents all the steps that are taken after the printing is completed, including post-processing and part inspection. This data is archived and can be quickly referenced both during and after the work has been performed. We've even taken care of reporting for you. With one click, the key documentation is summarized in a professional PDF that can be shared with your customers or your quality team. Now, let's return to the Trace production dashboard. Along with mapping your production workflow, Trace also gives you a place to store your critical factory documentation, including your standards, material information, and things like your standard operating procedures. In the coming months, we'll also continue to build out our proprietary analytics toolkit, which will enable you to examine things such as material and process inputs and their effects on mechanical properties. One last thing we'd like to address here is security. Our team has set up secured computer systems for the U.S. Department of Defense, and we have integrated those best practices into Trace. Your data is important to us, and we take this responsibility very seriously. We'd welcome the chance to talk to you about your needs in tracking your 3D printing workflow and how a customized or off-the-shelf version of Trace could help. Just fill out the form on the kiosk or leave your business card, and we'll be in touch.